To make this table router, I bought this table insert from Amazon. I'll have a link below. It's an aluminium plate with the holes that you need, a bag of screws and bolts, and 4 different size collars. So to start this project, I've cut a piece of 18mm or 3/4 inch ply to the size I wanted. I then marked out dead center and drew myself some horizontal and vertical lines. This just helps me place the router table insert to where I wanted it. So once I drew around that, I also drew around the router base, and then this would be cut out using a hole saw. I then used the router to take out the bulk of the material. Then I made a jig that would help me keep all my edges straight and clean. So once I tried the plate and I was happy with that, I then went for the final pass to get the exact thickness, and then when I was happy with that, I screwed in using the supplied screws. Really easy project, guys. This plate cost me about £10 or $10–15. I then put in the collars. Now there's 4 holes you can see, but only 2 holes on the insert, so that's why I've only used 2. I then put in a 10mm hole, so this could be hung on a screw, and then I use Forstner bits to create openings for a handle, and then I just join those up using a jigsaw. I then use a round over bit and rounded over all of my edges just for a nicer finish and a nicer feel. And then I screwed in the router base using the 4 bolts that were provided. So these bolts are slightly longer than the ones that you get as standard. You can use this anywhere you like as long as it's safe and secure. For demonstrations, I've just clamped this to my table. I may regularly use it there, but we'll see. So once that's clamped and secure or screwed to wherever you're working, slot the router in and hook up your dust back if you have one. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And a little snippet, my next project is a crosscut sled for my Titan table saw.